Hi guys, so great to have you back here with me today. So our lesson today is how to use a peeler. So this is a peeler. This is just one version. There's a few different versions out there, but what you'll notice is that a peeler has blades right here. These, you can hear them kind of rattling because they move. They turn back and forth so they can move with the shape of whatever you're peeling. So this is the area you want to be careful with your fingers, because that is the part that can cut you. So you always want to hold it here by the handle, and this back part right here is a guard. I have an apple today that I'm going to peel. You can use this to peel apples, carrots, potatoes, whatever you need to peel. You'll see this has a sticker on it. I'm going to take the sticker off. Sometimes that will get gummed up in your blade. And then you want to have a trash can by you, something to peel into. So depending on if it's a carrot, you can kind of hold it at the end and go away from you. An apple's a little more difficult. You want to be careful. I'm gonna come towards me to get it started. Once you get it started, it's a lot easier, and you just go away from your body and be careful to keep your fingers out of there, because it could kind of nick the top of your fingers off. And we like the top of our fingers. Sometimes with an apple, I kind of carefully go towards myself. Let's see, kind of around the stem. I'm using my thumb to kind of guide it. There you go, it's a peeled apple. You can see there's still a little bit at the top, but I'm going to cut the core out later. Why would you want to cut the skin off an apple?